Hi, suppose you want to copy or load a table in a CSV file or an Excel file into Pandas data frame format and process your data frame in there. There are multiple ways to do that. The most common approaches are using Pandas read CSV or read Excel approaches. But suppose you wanna do this even more quickly. Can you just copy your data frame in the Excel file and just paste it in here? Yes, you can. Just follow me in a moment and we're gonna show you how to do this. Let's say you have a data frame in your Excel file and you wanna load it uh, in the Python pandas library. What you can do, you can select your data frame, then right click copy, you go to your VS Code or any other interpreter, you load pandas first, and then you say pd.read clipboard. If you run this, here you go, you have your data frame in here. Easy, huh? Thank you so much for watching.